When Lord Ram, with his monkey army, built the bridge to enter into Lanka and the army crossed over, Mandodari decided to warn her husband Ravan once again. And she said, just think who he is. The monkeys and bears wrote his name on stone and they floated the stone. Can you not understand who he is? Ravan responded to Mandodari, are you a bigger jnani than I am? Ravan was a Bhashyakar, he had written a commentary on the Vedas. He said, don't you understand who I am? Mandodari said, I understand very well who you are, but I also understand who Ram is, whose name can make stones float. Ravan said, my name can also make stones float. Mandodari said, what? Ravan asked his servants to bring a tub of water and some pebbles. Now he wrote on the pebbles, Ravan, and made them float. The stones actually started floating. Mandodari was shocked. How can these stones float with Ravan's name? Ravan said, look, Mandodari, before making the stone float, I prayed that, look, listen, dear stone, on the name of Ram, you need to float. And I'm putting you in the water. So they floated. Mandodari said, you know who Ram is then? Ravan said, of course, I know very well who Ram is. That is why when Mandodari said, you are so infatuated by Sita, you have got demon power. Why don't you make yourself like Ram and go and meet her? Ravan said, Mandodari, how dare you say that? When I think of Ram's form, I become thrilled with bliss. And you expect that in that form I'll go and do such a terrible act? So Ravan said, I know very well. Itham vichintya khila rakshasendro Ramam viditva parameshwaram harim Virod buddhyaiva harim prayami dutam na bhaktya bhagavan prasidet. He said that if Ram killed Khar and Dushan, when Surpankha went to Khar and Dushan and said, these people have chopped off my ears and nose. So Khar and Dushan attacked with 14,000 demons and Ram and Lakshman killed them all. So he then, when Surpankha came and informed, at that time, Ravan said that if Ram has killed them, they were as powerful as I. In that case, Ram is God. And he then decided, Drutam na bhaktya bhagavan prasidet. I have got a tamasic body. With this body, I can't engage in devotion. I will not be able to think of him deeply. So it's an easier shortcut for me is to oppose him, to become his enemy. And when he kills me, Hatari Gati Dayaka, if God kills any demon, he liberates them alongside.